How's it going, everybody? Today is Monday, and we got called out for working on a AquaCal Heatwave SuperQuiet. A client called us, letting me know that he tried to activate the heater and it wasn't turning on. He came out here and he noticed that there was an error code on the display. Let me go ahead and show you the error code. You can make it out, but it says OTA. So OTA, right here, there's some code definitions on the side of the control panel, and OTA stands for high water temperature. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be opening up the unit. We got a new thermistor that we're going to be taking a look at and replacing on this unit. This is a Heatwave SuperQuiet. Let me see if I can get the 120. This is actually a heat and cool model, 120,000 BTU model. So let's get started right now. All right, we're gonna start by opening up the front cabinet. We have 3 screws right here, 1 screw here, 1 down at the bottom, and a couple more here on the side. I'm gonna go ahead and get all those opened up. Here's our part that we're going to be replacing. I'm going to open it up and get to seeing how this looks. See if we can identify where this part is located in the unit. This is a 10K ohm resistor. Okay. And here's our part right here, along with a new hose clamp. And better set to say that it's this unit, this part right here, that tests the water. And this is the incoming water right here, and that's the outgoing water on the bottom there. So we're gonna be replacing our thermistor right here. Oh, look what I find. Look what I find. This is probably why this thermistor has failed. Be surprised at what you find. So it looks like they had this previously worked on and they just twist tighter together. That's not good. We're gonna go ahead and take that out. Start by removing our hose clamp right here and getting that going. Our pump. And then we're going to open up our front panel right here to expose where the wire goes connected to the board. We got our thermistor out of the plumbing. We're going to backtrack it and find out where this actually goes. Unlead it from this entire go ahead and track it and find out where it goes. More than likely it's going to be this one right here with the wiring all twisted up like we currently have now. So it's probably going to be these 2 outer connectors right here. All right, so it was in fact the outer 2 right there. So we got our new connectors. We're gonna put it up through this jacket right here, slipping this through underneath here, pulling the wire through here. Fed our wire through. We're gonna open up our clamp so we can install the clamp around. We're gonna give ourselves some room here. Install this in here. the top of it. There we go. That's there. I'm going to torque that down, securing the new thermistor to the pipe, ensuring that there's no water leak. So back here on the board, there's a low voltage resistor. Doesn't matter which way you plug it, I'm just going to go in the same direction the plug's going to go down. That this unit was wrapped up with by the factory, since this is a part that we readily replace. Hopefully not so often, but nevertheless, we're not going to put it inside of all this in here. I'm just going to manage the cable. Twist tight now. Now that that's done, we have all this open. We're going to test out our unit. Turn back on our heat pump. Leave it in service mode, since this unit is in to be operated by the automation system. I'm going to go ahead and check and make sure we have no leaks. Should look good right there. There we go. We got a perfect water temperature, 76. It's a good sign. This repair is done. So to unlock it, there you go. Raise it up to 101. It's good. AquaCal Heatwave SuperQuiet, or any other heat waves from AquaCal. They have this same display here that shows OTA. First off, make sure that water temperature is really likely. The 10K resistor thermistor is going to be bad on these units, and that's how you replace them on this heater. Thank you so much for watching this video. It's been a pleasure. If you have any questions, post